Welcome to 108 Westshire Place. This nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front entry, and laminate hardwood flooring inside. Sits on a cul-de-sac street in the small Westshire neighborhood in Northwest Columbia in the St. Andrews area. Convenient to great dining and shopping in Harbison. Convenient to I-20 and I-26, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So you can see out front here, the home sits on sort of a sloped lot. You can see the driveway going up to the 2-car garage there. On the right side, there is a second driveway for the property as well, for some additional parking space, especially due to the incline of the driveway here. But as you go up the driveway, you can see sort of back down into the front yard, and then to access the front of the homes. Front of the home, you go up these steps. So you can see here, covered front entry, and then here's your front door. So as we enter the home, you'll notice the beautiful laminate hardwood flooring throughout the majority of the property. Well, actually, the main living and dining area, as well as the hallway. The bedrooms are carpeted, but in the living room as well, you do have vaulted ceilings with a ceiling fan. Large window looking out over the front yard. The living room is open to the dining area here as well. And then there's the kitchen on that side. You can access the side of the house and the deck through this door on the side. So a deck off the side of the home here. And then you have stairs back down to the second driveway there. No real backyard at this property. It sort of backs up to some trees here that serve as a buffer between it and the next neighborhood over. But you don't really have any direct neighbors to your rear, and less upkeep there as well. So we'll take a look at the kitchen while we're on this side of the home. So eat-in dining area in the kitchen here as well, with a large window. Vaulted ceilings continue into this room. You have white cabinets and white appliances. These have been updated as well. You have a refrigerator, dishwasher, and electric range, and good countertop space also. You do have a pantry, huge pantry off the kitchen, with a window out to the front yard as well. This door accesses your 1-car garage with the automatic opener. So you can see the garage is down there. We'll get a bit more light for you, but the stairs to access that are here. Excuse me while I adjust that light for you. So on down the hall, you have your bedrooms and bathrooms. So we'll just kind of go through those quickly. On the right side here, you have your third or second. Nice sized room, faces the back of the home. You have a closet here. Also in the back left corner. Here in the hallway, coat closet. And you can see that the flooring continues here down the hall as well. You also have an attic pull down access there. Linen closet here as well in the hall. And then right across from that, you have middle bedroom. So all 3 bedrooms in this home are rear facing, including the master. There's a closet on the side, and you can see the window looking out there. Laundry room as well. Full-size washer and dryer connections in here. There's a shelf above, and it's also pretty large, so could be used for some extra storage also. Full bathroom off the hallway. Has a single sink and shower and tub. And then last but not least is your master suite, which also has the vaulted ceilings, 2 windows looking out back. There's a walk-in closet here also, in addition to an attached full bathroom, which has the commode back in the corner, has a window on the right side. Garden tub and shower combined there, and then you also have a single vanity or single sink and the large counter on the opposite side there. So that completes our tour of this home. The address here is 108 Westshire Place in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. Again, you can find out more information about this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.